Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this series of creating new Shopify store from scratch, we have previously covered themes, collections, products, pages, navigations and blog posts. Today we are going to see how to introduce payments and gateways to your Shopify store. Right? This is our online store. Let's go to settings. And you can see an option here, payments. Let's go to payments. As you can see here, Shopify provides multiple payment gateways, right? The very first option is set by third party. But please keep in mind, before selecting payment providers, you will need to select a plan if you're using a trial version of Shopify. We shall cover this in detail in a separate video. However, once you select the plan right, you can choose a provider. Okay, now you can see we have multiple third-party payment providers here, right? This bogus gateway is just for testing, but there are multiple other third-party payment providers. And with each providers, you can see what all types of payments or cards it does accept, right? So based on your visibility, you can select whatever payment providers you want, right? Say you're selecting cash-free card payments, right? You can see it accepts Visa card, it accepts MasterCard, it accepts American Express, and a few other cards as well, right? Similarly, other payment providers has some extra, like Union Pay is also there in Ocean Payment, right? So again, it's completely up to you. Whichever payment providers you want to select, you can do so, right? Let's go back. Okay. Next option is PayPal. Say you want to, enable payment for, cross-border or international payment options, right? In order to do that, you can do that using PayPal, right? All you need to do is activate your PayPal account. Go here, you will need to fill some details, right? If you have a PayPal account, you can fill in the details. If you don't have the PayPal account, you can create a PayPal account and provide the details. It will associate your PayPal account to Shopify, right? Okay, next is payment capture method, right? So if you can see here, right, automatic is selected by default. You can do manually also. Okay, automatic, as it sounds, right, whatever is the amount of product, it will be credited to your account immediately, right? The question is when or why you should change it to manual. There is a case, right? Say you have some products on your store which is not available in your inventory at that point of time. In that case, you can change it to manual, right? So amount will not be credited to your account immediately. The amount of the product, right, it will not be credited to your account immediately. That will be on hold. And once the product is available in your inventory, you can change it to automatic and that will be credited to your account. That's the difference. And then you have manual payment method, which includes, right, COD, money order, bank deposit, right? You need to fill in the details and you can activate COD. And the last one is some Shopify app which is available on Shopify Store, right? If you can just visit all these Shopify apps. If you want to install, you can install. Every app has some significance, right? And it completely depends on what actually you want. If these apps meets your criteria, you can just install this, or you can keep it with the default option Shopify provides. Okay, so that's all about payment gateways in Shopify Store, right? Stay tuned. We'll add next video pretty soon. Thank you very much.